Alright guys, so we're starting off with simplifying radical equations. This is a very easy problem to go through. So first what you want to do is whatever negative exponents are there, you guys switch it. So this will come out to 2y to the 5th, because anytime you switch you change to a positive exponent. And at the bottom would be 4x squared and y squared. Once we get to here, we know that 2 and 4 are divisible. So you can divide this by 2 and divide 4 by 2. And on top, you'll get y to the 5th over 2x squared y squared. Now all you have to do is just cancel out any exponents that cancel out, any variables that cancel out. So we could leave 2 and x squared alone. You cross out y squared, and this 5 turns into a 3, because once we do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. So our final answer would be y to the 3rd over 2x squared.